In this week's video we give away secrets. We show you how we do our schematic drawings and we make a suggestion on how you can get them really spiffy. Sorry Mads. Yeah, talking of secrets, we have a look at David's boat and give away secrets on how to make anodes stay on and last longer. And this lady gives up the secret of Turkish pancakes. Enjoy the video, folks. Out on the scooter the other day, saw this marching band, all the youngsters playing drums, and quite rhythmic it was, fun to watch. Had to be a bit careful because cars were trying to run me over to get past them, but there was a reason behind it. So here's the reason they were practicing. It was National Sovereignty and Children's Day in Turkey the following day. So Saturday morning we're in the market as usual. We're actually going back to the UK in a couple of days, so we won't be buying much. But peppers seem to be what's coming into season now. Lots and lots of peppers.
And more salady stuff.
More salady stuff.
I haven't seen so many root vegetables, but I suppose growing time.
Yeah, we've got some new potatoes, aren't there?
Yeah.
But I'll flip you round so that you can see what the market's like. You've been here before. You see that this one's mainly peppers. They're now in season. But yeah, fresh produce. Good prices. I just walked past the cauliflower man. Look at the size of that cauliflower. Well, there's my hand, and I've got big hands. It's huge. Look at the size of those. So what are you going to make? Those garlic roasted mushrooms with cheese. They're huge. And the mushrooms are big as well. Oh. So the other day we went to a fish restaurant. It was our friend's anniversary, Pete and Ann, and we ate up in the mountains, and we had a lovely dish made with mushrooms, garlic, butter and cheese. So we're going to try and recreate that at Sunday's barbecue. So that's what we're going to do. And we didn't film it all because you know, it was their anniversary, not our filming opportunity. But I have got a little clip actually. Let's play that little clip now. Come out this evening for a meal. I'm about 20 minutes drive up into the mountains. And it's our friend's 43rd wedding anniversary, so we've come out here. And this is one of the mountain streams that comes down. And apparently there's trout in the river, and you can pick the one you want. It really is quite pretty. Say hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. Beautiful. The work in that.
O da aynı. Bak o da aynı. Bu 20. Bu 50.
That's what they use as exfoliating mix in the hammam.
Çift kat. Bu da var. Bak öyle uzunlar var.
You get one.
Sure.
Smile.
Anlatacağım seni şimdi. Niye diyor kız?
Lots of people were asking us last time about the how these were made. They're these long sticks that they roll them out. and then you can see 2 of them being cooked over the back there. So these are the thicker ones here, and there's the filling that goes in. And then it gets rolled on the stick and then unrolled. Let's go around and have a look. That's what she's making. So this is a big metal plate heated by a gas burner underneath. And then our proprietor puts them on the board. They just asked, eat here or take away in Turkish.
İşte oraya vereyim ne bileyim ben.
İki tane yayık ayran alsak.
I hope that's not fairy liquid, that green. It's very artistic. You haven't got green one in yours?
No, I've got a brown.
I wonder what the brown stuff is.
Don't know. Sorry?
Oh, the hull's not that bad.
No, the hull's pretty good. But
The drive leg is... Well, it's because you haven't been moving, isn't it?
yeah.
So a couple of days out for David. Spending all that time in Almirmar doing a good job on the keel has paid off. He's just done all the anti-fouling. A couple of little nicks in the rudder. Cleaned off the prop. Cleaned up the anodes. Got new anodes to go on the prop and on the sail drive leg. The bottom of the sail drive leg is open at the moment. There's oil draining out. We've checked all the through holes, they're all good. David's all done now. Finished the last work, which was to remove the prop blades, grease them up, put these small screws back in. Machine screws with a little bit of Loctite on them, put the anodes on, and you'll notice that there's a little bit of Sikaflex over the tops of the screws. Stop the anodes rotting away at the screws first, which then releases the anode. I've seen that happen a couple of times, so that's what we do. We put a bit of Sika over the top. So it's got the same rope cutter as I have, the Ambassador Marine strippers. I saw something the other day about rope cutters, and the reason this one is good is because not only does it shear like that, but as they, you see these blades, as they close up, they're actually bigger at the tip, which means that the blade tends to push the rope out, or the line out. You see these other ones where they're hooked. You've got like a hooked jaw and a hooked that way. And what they do is they pull more line in. And that's definitely what you don't want. Look at that. That's a relic from a bygone age. Austin Leyland. Got to show you these safety signs. Even the Coast Guard have to have their bottoms done. That's a real quick boat as well. We've seen that go out. We've been asked by a few people what it is that we use to draw our schematic drawings, our electrical drawings. Well, this is Pages. It's basically Mac's version of Word, and you just insert shapes like these here, drag them into the drawing, which is fairly easy. And Word has the same features. You can insert stuff, and there's a library of standard bits and bobs, or you can create your own. So if I drag this one in, this is a TV, you can see there that if I go down to make editable, that's what I'm looking for. Come on in, you'll find it. There it is, make editable. If you make editable, what you can do is you can then colour different pieces of that. Simply click on the object and then click on format, and it will bring up all the different things you can do. You know, change colours or change backgrounds, put lines around things, put borders, all that kind of thing. You can gradient the colours, you can alter where the gradient fades in and fades out. So everything in this schematic has been made or created like this. So let me show you a couple of things. Let's wire up our telly. Let's get the one we want first, obviously. There we go. To wire our telly up, we are going to simply go back through our menu, scroll to the top, bring a line in. The default colour is black. We can then move that line by picking up one end of it and then move the other end to make a connection. And then we can do exactly the same by making a red line. So let's go back, pull another line in, move it to where we want it. Now you can pick it up from the centre or pick it up from the ends and simply change the colour. There we go. Pick it up from the end, move it to where we want it. Let's put it over there. Easy as that. And then for connections, what we do, pull a circle in, drag that circle down. The default colour is black. Reduce the circle down from the corner, and then we just move it to where we want to make the connection. Really simple. As I say, the I've just zoomed in so you can see it better there, but yeah, this is really easy to do, and you can use Microsoft Word in the same way. So that's kind of how we do it. Hitting Control Z a few times takes us back to where we were with the original drawing. So there we go, that's how we do it. The secret's out. Now if you wanted it to look really spiffy, you could go to the Victron website, for example, find the instrument you want, open it in a new tab, click on that, and then you want to save picture as. I think it's save picture as. Let's have a look. Not copy image, save, that's it. Save image as, save it on your desktop, close all that lot down, go back, go to your desktop or wherever you've loaded the image to, and simply drag it into that document. Now it'll come up quite big, so you've got to reduce the size. There you go. Let's put that as our Raspberry Pi somewhere. Easy as that. Now, the one thing I would say is that these images are quite big, so you'll need a fairly modern computer with good memory and good graphics to do this. But yeah, how spiffy would that look if you did the whole of your wiring diagram using these symbols? Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget, our other channel, Your Drone TV, that so many of you have been requesting, is now finally up and running, and there's quite a few videos on there. Go and take a look. There's a link in the description. Sail safe, guys.